The controller in Kuala Lumpur makes one last transmission at 1:19 a.m.
370, contact Ho Chi Minh, 120.9. Good night.
Good night, Malaysia 370.
When we found out what was said from the cockpit of Malaysian Flight 370, it was perfectly routine, absolutely boilerplate. That's what airline pilots and flight controllers say to each other.
The crew is expected to contact Vietnamese controllers in less than 1 minute. But 19 minutes later, there's no word from Flight 370.
Malaysian 370, this is Ho Chi Minh. Please contact control.
Malaysia 370.
Controllers in Vietnam and Malaysia tried desperately to reach the missing plane.
Contact control.
Malaysia 370, do you copy? Malaysia 370, this is Kuala Lumpur. Do you copy?
There's no response from the cockpit and no sign of the plane on radar. Flight 370 has vanished without a trace.